Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off your Sony WH-H900N headphones. And to do this you'll need to locate the left earphone, which is this one right here, and it has a power button located right here. Now hold that button for a few seconds until you hear power on. Then if you want to power it off, hold it for a few seconds. You should see, you should hear the power off indicator also. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.